Due to incessant rain yesterday and day before yesterday, heavy seepage has been observed in Old Goa Tunnel in between Thivim and Karmali stations, and that has interrupted traffic over Konkan Railway. So various trains have been diverted on account of this, like 02618 Nizamuddin Ernakulam, then 04698 Amritsar Kochuveli. These trains are being diverted via Panvel, Pune, Hubli, Erode, Shornur, and then on proper route. Likewise, trains bound to north like 01224 Ernakulam LTT Duranto Express, then 09261 Kochuveli Porbandar Express, 02977 Ernakulam Ajmer Express are being diverted via Madgaon, Londa, Pune, Panvel, and then on proper route. Similarly, passengers who have been stuck beyond Thivim station are being transit, like passengers of Konkan Express, which had left Mumbai yesterday, are being transit by bus from Thivim to Madgaon. And likewise, passengers bound to Mumbai by this Mandavi Express, today's Mandavi Express, are transit from Madgaon to Thivim, and the train which has come as Konkan Express and available at Thivim will return back as Mandavi Express, and it will start from Thivim at 12 hours. Likewise, Rajdhani Express from Nizamuddin to Trivandrum, it will be stopped at Pernem, and passengers towards Trivandrum will be transit from Pernem to Madgaon. And today there was one Rajdhani from Goa to Nizamuddin. These passengers of this train will be taken to Pernem by bus, and that train which has come from Trivandrum Rajdhani, it will return at Goa Rajdhani. And train available at Madgaon, which is Goa Rajdhani, will go as Trivandrum Rajdhani. This is the position as of now. And furthermore, we have cancelled some train. Today's Konkan leaving Madgaon at 6. Tomorrow's Mandavi Express leaving CSMT at 7 hours has been cancelled. Then there will be some partial cancellations which I'll advise later.
So the work is being carried out right now? The work is being carried out?
Work at present, our engineering officials are available at the site, and they are carrying out the repair work.